Sa number 8, opisyal na naglagda sang partnership ang IFOAM kag NISARD para sa 2027 nga Organic World Congress sa Negros Occidental. Sang Biyernes, naglagda na ang International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movements o kun IFOAM Organics International para sa isa ka partnership kaupo ng Negros Island Sustainable Agriculture and Rural Development Incorporated o kun NISARD sa pag-host ng 22nd IFOAM Organic World Congress and General Assembly sa 2027. Ginlagdaan ang agreement ni IFOAM Organics International Vice President Marco Schlotter kag NISARD President Edgardo Ucha. Tuyo sini nga mapabakod pagid ang global collaboration para sa organic agriculture kag sustainable farming development. Mismo si Governor Eugenio C. Lacson ang nagsaksi sa ceremonial signing upod Sunday Provincial Legal Officer Alberto Nelius Jr. kag NISARD Trustee Albert Wong. Ang amo nga international event ang natalana sa November 2027 kag iga-host sa provincial government sa Negros Occidental. Ginapabot ang pagtililipon sa mga global leaders, mga practitioner, researcher kag advocates sa organic agriculture. Ang pagtililipon nagahatag sang platform para sa pagbayluhanay sa ihibalo policy dialogue kag pagtin-ad pagid sang sustainable kag regenerative farming systems.
Just reminding our audience, our farmers and our fisher folks in Negros Island, including Siquijor,
Okay. Yeah, NIR.
NIR, because this is not an event for only us. It's the event for the Philippines. So like when you talk to the international guests, they'll say, okay, we're going to attend the Organic World Congress in the Philippines. See?
So
It's always,
not just Negros.
no, they'll always say, oh, it's going to be in the Philippines. It's very important. We're representing our country. We'll show them the way on how we can do not so dependent on importing chemicals and fertilizer.
It's a huge chance also for your politics to say what political paths you can go. And you have so many challenges to your logistics due to the many islands you have and everything, so that in many places organic is the only chance. Yeah? Also now, look on the oil price, that means fertilizers are becoming so expensive. Yeah, it's not sustainable. So conventional farming means you depend on all this fossil fuels and everything, which means organic makes you quite independent because it's really based on closed cycles, on knowledge and less inputs. So it's a big opportunity to raise awareness here also to support the whole Philippine economy.